Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Fixer. In today's video, we're going to talk about memory integrity and how to enable it to boost your system's security. This feature helps prevent malicious code from accessing high security processes in Windows, but sometimes incompatible or outdated drivers can block it. Don't worry though, I've got some simple solutions for you to get things up and running. Before we dive into the steps, I've got a quick question for you. I'm using a mix of my own voice and an AI voice for the voiceover in this video. For some of you, my natural voice might be hard to understand, so I switch it up. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, my voice or the AI voice. I'd love to hear your feedback. Let's start from solution 1. Update incompatible drivers using Device Manager. First up, let's check out Device Manager to find any problematic drivers. Press Win+X, then choose Device Manager. Expand each category and look for any devices with a yellow exclamation point. This usually means there's a driver issue. Right-click the device with the issue and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If no updates are found, go to the device manufacturer's website and manually download the latest drivers. After updating, restart your PC and try enabling memory integrity again. This simple method works for a lot of users with driver issues. Solution 2. Use third-party driver update tools. If Device Manager misses anything, try using third-party driver update tools. These tools scan your system for outdated or incompatible drivers. Once updated, restart your computer and try enabling memory integrity again. Many users have found success with these tools when Device Manager didn't catch the problem. Before starting the solution 3, make a backup of your registry files, select Computer, and then click on File and Export. This will make a backup of your registry files, and if anything goes wrong, you can restore it. Now let's get started. You can try modifying your registry. Just make sure to back up your system first. Okay, at this point, I will provide the destination link in the description. You can copy and paste destination link in the destination bar or follow manually. Another thing is, if these key or DORD32 values are not available already there, you can create it manually. I will provide these steps in the description that will be more easier for you to create it. But if everything is already available, then follow as shown in the video tutorial. Set the value of enabled to 1. Restart your computer and check if memory integrity is now enabled. Important considerations. Always back up your system before making any big changes, especially in the registry. Download drivers only from official sources to keep your system safe and stable. If you're not sure about any of these steps, feel free to ask in the comment section. By following these simple steps, you can fix driver conflicts and enable memory integrity to enhance your system's security. And that's it. I hope these solutions help you get memory integrity enabled and boost your system's security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more tips and fixes from Windows Fixer. And again, let me know in the comments, do you prefer my voice or the AI voice for the voiceovers? Your feedback means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep fixing those Windows issues.